This case sucks. I don't care how much people say Antec Sonatas and Antec Landboys are classic PC cases from the mid-2000s. When you have to bend the metal to get your power supply out without disassembling the whole computer, because otherwise you crash into the RAM sockets when you try and go around and down with the power supply, and you end up with a big huge scratch on an otherwise brand new power supply because of this nonsense, that's when you know your case is dated. I don't think I'm putting another power supply in this thing until I buzz off some of that metal, or just pull it off until it snaps, because quite frankly, that doesn't help hold anything anyways. You have screws on the back of the mounting plate, so you just bolt the thing into place. The question is whether or not you want to be able to get your power supply out of the machine without taking the whole thing apart. And this thing is just so that you have to. Footrest it is for the foreseeable future with this thing. It's a Core 2 quad anyways. I'm not missing much.